The paranormal phenomenon of ghosts has long been a source of fascination and mystery. However, recent scientific research has shed new light on the nature of ghosts, offering a compelling explanation for their existence. According to this theory, ghosts are not the spirits of deceased individuals, but rather emotional echoes left behind by those who have passed on. This concept is based on the idea that emotions are a form of energy, and that this energy can be imprinted onto the environment in which they are experienced. When a person experiences a strong emotion, such as fear, love, or intense grief, the energy created by that emotion can leave a lasting impression on the surrounding environment. Over time, this energy can become concentrated in a particular location, creating a kind of emotional residue that can be perceived as a ghostly presence. This theory also suggests that certain individuals may be more sensitive to these emotional echoes than others, allowing them to perceive the presence of ghosts in a way that others cannot. This sensitivity may be related to factors such as psychic ability or heightened emotional intelligence. While the idea of ghosts as emotional echoes is still not widely accepted by mainstream science, it offers a compelling and intriguing explanation for the paranormal experiences that have captivated human imagination for centuries. As our understanding of the nature of emotions and energy continues to evolve, it is possible that we may unlock even more secrets about the mysteries of the afterlife. In the realm of physics, emotions can be thought of as a form of energy that can become entangled with the fabric of spacetime. This concept is based on the idea that emotions are not just subjective experiences, but are also associated with measurable changes in the body, such as changes in heart rate, blood pressure, and brain activity. According to quantum entanglement theory, when two particles become entangled, they become intimately connected in such a way that the state of one particle affects the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. Similarly, emotions can become entangled with the fabric of spacetime, creating a kind of emotional resonance that can persist long after the initial emotional experience has ended. This emotional resonance can become encoded into the quantum fields that make up spacetime, creating a kind of emotional memory that can be accessed by individuals who are sensitive to these subtle energies. These energy fields, which are sometimes referred to as emotional ripples or emotional echoes, can become entangled with other energy fields in the environment, creating a complex web of emotional entanglements that can affect the emotional experiences of individuals who come into contact with them. The complex interplay of emotions and spacetime can be further understood through the lens of quantum field theory, which describes how energy fields interact with each other and with the underlying structure of the universe. Quantum field theory suggests that emotions can create a kind of emotional topology in spacetime, affecting the curvature of spacetime and the behavior of energy fields within it. While this concept may seem abstract and complex, it offers a fascinating new perspective on the nature of emotions and their relationship to the fabric of the universe. As our understanding of quantum mechanics and the nature of spacetime continues to evolve, it is possible that we may uncover even more intricate and fascinating connections between our emotional experiences and the underlying structure of reality. Let's imagine a scenario where a violent murder took place in a room. The perpetrator, motivated by rage and anger, brutally attacked the victim, leaving behind a trail of emotional energy that became imprinted on the fabric of spacetime. In the moment of the attack, the perpetrator's emotional energy would have been intense and concentrated, creating a strong emotional resonance that could be felt by anyone who entered the room afterwards. The victim's emotional energy, on the other hand, would have been more diffuse and chaotic, reflecting the fear and confusion of the attack. Over time, as the emotional energy from the murder dissipated, it would have become entangled with the energy fields in the room, creating a complex emotional topology that could persist for years or even decades. This emotional topology could be accessed by individuals who are sensitive to these subtle energies, potentially causing them to experience intense emotions or vivid visions related to the murder. In this way, the emotional imprint of the murder could become a kind of haunting presence in the room, affecting the emotional experiences of anyone who enters it. This haunting presence could also potentially affect the behavior of energy fields in the surrounding environment, creating a kind of ripple effect that could be felt throughout the local spacetime. While the idea of emotional imprints on spacetime is still a matter of theoretical speculation, it offers a compelling explanation for the persistence of paranormal phenomena such as hauntings and ghostly apparitions. By understanding the complex interplay of emotions and energy fields in the universe, we may one day unlock the secrets of these fascinating and enigmatic phenomena.